Criminal law is a system of law concerned with the punishment of offenders. Here are some examples of criminal law in our society. If you murder or kill someone, you will be taken to the criminal court of law and you will be prosecuted. You will need a criminal lawyer to defend you, as they need to stick up for you in court and prove your case, otherwise you might end up in jail. Child abuse is also a huge issue our courts deal with. Every 10 seconds a report is made, and not to mention an estimated 5 children worldwide die every day because of it. And it is our criminal law system's duty to bring the perpetrators to justice. The definition of civil law is a practice that helps resolve legal issues that impact on people's everyday lives and issues that are quite minute. Another phrase for civil law would be non-criminal law, which means anything that's not considered criminal would be handled by a local court or civil claims registry. Some examples of issues that falls under the civil law system would be small claims such as noise complaints or small cases of trespassing. These reports are non-criminal offences and do not require severe punishment that we would often see with criminal law. But let's get back to basics on our definition. The definition of a plaintiff is the party that institutes a suit in a court. Basically, the plaintiff brings a case against another in the court of law. And the person the plaintiff is suing is called the defendant. In law, you get 2 modes of offences, summary and indictable. The main difference between these two is that summary offences are handled by a judge alone. You do not have the right to trial by jury. These offences are usually less serious. An indictable offence is one that you trial in front of a jury for, and these are more serious issues. Usually, we pair civil law with summary offences and criminal law with indictable offences. So even though there are 2 different modes, you still will be taken to court and you still will be punished appropriately. The definition of prosecution is the institution and conducting of legal proceedings against someone in respect of a criminal charge. Here are some real-life examples of current criminal offences and current civil offences. In this example, this man was caught shoplifting at a local Walmart. This situation started off as a civil case, but because of circumstances where the man used a car as a deadly weapon, it would now be an indictable offence and considered criminal. There was recently an attack by an armed man in South Sydney. The police took action and shot the man that was responsible. No charges or court notices will be given to these officers though, as they were just doing their job protecting society. If anyone else was to do it, they would be jailed and criminal action would be taken against them. Speeding is usually considered a civil case, but this man took it to the next level. Literally. He was caught speeding a huge 67 times. Because of this serial offence, it is now in the hands of the criminal justice system, not the civil. Recently, 4 teenagers have been jailed for the killing of the man in the picture below. In our justice system, the taking of someone's life will always be considered a criminal offence.